Here we have a simple repair, LG Aristo CÚ. We begin removing the back. Remove battery. Begin removing screws. Now we pry out the back cover. Unplug LCD, back camera, and front camera. Remove motherboard. Heat screen for 5 minutes. Adhesive should be soft enough now. Clean the excess glass. Time for the glue. Close down the screen. Now we just put back motherboard. Plug in LCD and cameras. Place back cover. Finally, place back screws and battery. Alright, we're all set with this repair. If you'd like to see more, please follow me.